Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from One Day Saving. They were kind enough to send me some goodies. So let's have a look at what we have. We'll start with the mini one, which if I remember rightly is an off the canvas. Oh, it is. It's one of these. This is a little fidget spinner. One of those that you sort of have in your hand and spin round and do whatever else to. This one is in the shape of a captain's wheel or a ship's wheel, but there are a few different other ones. It does look to be just one-sided, though I can't tell if that had glue on it. But yeah, I can imagine when that's spinning round, that'll be quite sparkly. So the diamond you get in it, this one is quite yellow based, but quite nicely yellow based. You do get a toolkit with a set of tweezers, and then it's mainly rhinestones. So we have yellow, orange, brown and silver, but then we do have some teardrops as well. So quite a small project, but enough to be doing, you know, if you've got half hour or an hour or so to get something done. And it's a little bit of fun, so why not? See all that sparkle. So that's number one. I will pop links to everything that I'm unboxing down below so that you can have a nosy yourself. Number two. Ooh. So this one is a round, I think. It is, yes. So it is a round. It's down as a 30 by 40. And I will check the size now, but look at the colour in that. Does look like we have some. Do we have black? Oh, we don't have black. We have 939. So we do have a very, very dark blue. It has 24 colours and it does come with DMC numbers, which we all like because it means we can sort our spares. And then the actual trill area for this is just short of 35 centimetres by just short of 25. But I think the colours in that are pretty stunning. I think that's going to look amazing. We get a standard toolkit, boat wax pen, and then look at some of the colours in here are really nice. So we do have 24 colours. So we have some purples, red, even more purples. So there's a lot of shading. Look at those pinks, oranges. We do have quite a few different blues. Quite a range. There's the 939, I think. Yes, so there's the 939. So there's sort of 2 packets of 939, and then there is 823, which is quite dark as well. Then look at those. Gorgeous pops of colour. And then we've got even more purple, some nice pink, and some white as well. So that'll be fun. So that's that one. And then last but by no means least, we go to the biggest one that I have today. If I can get my scissors into the Jiffy bag to get hold of it. Helpful if I could. Here we go. Oh, I think I'm nearly in. There we go. And in. Let's have a look. Because I do forget. Oh, yes. If my mum's watching, I think my mum will love this one. This one is a square. So we've got an off the canvas item, a round and a square. So a nice variety today. But this one, look at that. You see the bike in front of the window? All the pretty flowers. It has 22 different colours. It does have DMC numbers. It's down as a 40 by 50. but the actual drill area is 35 by 45. So we do have 2.5 centimetres all the way around for a border. It is poured glue, so it will flatten out quite nicely once it has a little bit of time, but I just thought that was so pretty and summery. Diamonds look good from what I can see, but let's have a look at the nice pastel colours in this one. If you can get into them. But we have some gorgeous greens, we have some brown, pop of brighter pink, and then we've got some more muted browns, and then some softer pinks, a little bit softer than the last one, for definite. Oh, that's the 310. Okay, I think I can cope with that amount of 310. We've got some burgundy and olive greens. Then we've got some more green and brown and some more pink. Some more greens, as you can imagine. We do have a lot of 819. There is 5 bags of 819. That is actually what a lot of this background is. So it's a very, very pale pink, and it can kind of look white when it's in the background, but we don't have any actual white. Then we have some more browns. That looks like 3371. Oh no, it's 844. Still a very dark brown. And then some nice olive green. So if you think all this background here is all sort of 819 with some green mixed in at the bottom. But the symbols are clear, which is good. And the diamonds look good quality from what I can see. You never truly know until you actually start placing them on the diamonds, but I'm not seeing a load of rubbish and bits. I'm not seeing a load of static. So I'll take that as good diamonds for now. So you do get 22 colours in this one. Gorgeous. So I'll pop the link to, say, all of these down below. But we have Pink Bike in square. We have a very bright butterfly in round. And then a fidget spinner that'll need making just so that I can then mess. I hope you've enjoyed these items today. Thank you so much to One Day Saving for sending them me so that I can share them with you all. And I will speak to you all again soon.